I believe we have more than one soulmate. What are your thoughts about soulmate or soulmates? I believe we have our tribe. I believe we have people that are our tribe in our life. And I don't believe we have one perfect person for us. I believe we have multiple or many people that are in the same wavelength as we are, and you can't sort of, every single relationship that you have has its pros and cons. Somewhere you have challenge, and some places you have peace and joy and love and abundance. And then with another person you have challenges in other areas, and then you also have gifts in other areas. And it's all up to you. What would you choose? Do you choose this thing to be more challenging and then you have this gift, or you want to choose that thing to be more challenging and then you have that sort of gift? So I feel like we have a lot of people, or maybe not a lot, but I don't think that there is one person that is the absolutely perfect person for us. It all depends what you want out of life. With someone next to you, it's going to be more easy to do one sort of lifestyle, with another person another sort of lifestyle. Is that person next to you in the same path as you're going? Are you on the same magnetic line pulling you through space or not? Do you have the same values? It's different. It's different. And I believe in soulmates. I believe in a tribe of people that are divided throughout the world, and you gotta find them. And a lot of them can become your partners, your friends. But I don't think there's one person, and if you lose it, you're fucked.